Shah Jahan was the son of Jahangir, and he was more adventurous than his father. He wanted to win more territories. In 1633, he won Ahmednagar. After 3 years, he went to the Hind with a Hajj army. The Sultan of Golconda did not fight against him and accepted defeat. But in south, the Sultan of Bijapur would not give in so easily. He fought bravely but finally had to accept defeat. Shah Jahan did not have much success in the north. He lost Kandahar to the Persians. He sent a large army into Central Asia in 1633, but he could not do anything there. So he had to back so he had to come back without achieving any territory. Shah Jahan is better known all over the world as the builder of the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, and the Jama Masjid of Delhi. The Taj Mahal was built in the memory of his wife, Mumtaz Begum, whom he loved very much. It took 20 years to build the Taj Mahal. Some of the best builders and artists of his age were built, and a great deal of money and time was spent. Today, the Taj Mahal is among the seven wonders of the world. This is the most beautiful building built by man. Shah Jahan also ordered a splendid throne to be built for himself. Many artisans and goldsmiths worked for 7 years and produced a throne that costed over a crore. It had two peacocks blazing with precious stones of many colors. It was known as the Taus or the Peacock's Throne. Shah Jahan and his courtiers lived in luxury. The palace where he lived was magnificent rich. Visitors from all over countries came to see its great marble halls inlaid with precious gems and the wealth and the pomp of the court. The money, of course, had to come from the poor subjects, most of whom were just farmers. They were forced to pay tax and grew poorer and poorer by the day. In his old age, his four sons began to fight for the crown. Shah Jahan liked Dhara Shikoh, who was his eldest son, but Aurangzeb, the third son, was by far the most capable. He was known for his military skill. One day he defeated his brothers and imprisoned his ailing father in his own palace and crowned himself emperor. Shah Jahan remained a prisoner for 8 years until his death in 1666 at the age of 74. During all these years, the father and the son never meet. Thank you, my brothers and sisters, and all of you. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel, please, and learn English speaking with me.